Imagine the perfect machine. What features should it have? It should be a reliable machine where quality lasts over time. It should be a concentration of pure power, ready for any challenge. It should be safe for use in any environment. It should be smart, connected with your demands, able to give you all the answers you need. A tool to help you reach your goals. It should be intuitive, yet simple, and designed to enhance the user experience. It should offer a range of sustainable solutions to save resources and protect the environment. It should be properly equipped to accomplish your unique cleaning requirements. The BMG, exactly how it should be.